Hello, my name is Ronnie Lundberg and I am going to the biggest adventure of my lifetime. This summer I took a part in GS Trophy 2020 Nordic qualifier and it went very well. So now I am the Swedish to represent in Nordic team. I have my teammates Ole from Norway and Arthur from Finland, and we are Team Nordic. In 9th February to the 16th February we are going to New Zealand to compete against the other countries around the world. I think it's 23 countries. I would like to thank BMW Motorrad Nordic. We have a great time. We have trained together and we got to borrow some bikes so we can train on, and I really appreciate that, and thank you. If you want to follow us, we have a Facebook page and it's named GS Trophy Team Nordic. Go in and like that and follow us, and we're gonna post very much good stuff there. In January, I think it's the weekend, Friday 24th and Saturday 25th, and that's on. You can come to Gothenburg, the Swedish MC Mässa, and what I know, I am Ole is going to be there with the BMW Motorrad. Why I did this movie? It comes a very big package from the UPS today, and I thought, why don't make a movie so you can join me what's inside the package. It's rather big. I'm gonna put the camera here and go get it. Pretty big. Yep. Yes, here we go. This is the protection gears, and yeah, pretty much good stuff we're gonna have. Here we go. I'm gonna pack it up. Look at this beauty. Swedish flag, my name. And of course, the GS Trophy New Zealand logo. Yep, I'm gonna open it. Let's start with this one. Ronnie Lundberg, and my size and everything. Woo. Check this out. Woo. I'm gonna show you this. How amazing is this? My name on a BMW Motorrad rally suit and the country brand. And here we have the sponsors. open the bag, and if you wonder this wasn't in the package, but BMW Motorrad Nordic has supported us with this one. And the GS boots, these boots are really good. It's like a motocross boots, very strong. Yeah, and the carbon fiber helmet. Let's see now. Sweden. Right. Oh, there it is. This is like Christmas now. Woo! And every member of GS Trophy in New Zealand is getting this bag, and this stuff, yeah, we're gonna have it on us to protect us. And this is good stuff, it's BMW stuff. Yeah, my name, Sweden. This is cool. It's a little toilet bag, you can call it. Mirror. A backpack. Low Alpine is the brand. It's something in this. Oh! Left neck brace. Let's see now. Okay, here we go. Oof. A new cap. And here we go. Oh yeah, this is nice stuff. Some Google. Some special glasses. Shirt, t-shirt. We're gonna look very good in New Zealand. And one more shirt. Ooh. A hoodie, cool color. I think a rain jacket maybe, wind jacket. Of course the cool brand. rally suit pant. Oh man. I'm gonna try this on later. Wow. Some gloves. I don't think I've seen this color before. The black color. I think I've seen blue or red one, but never black. Good. And some BMW Motorrad sock. Yeah, good stuff. I wonder how all these get in the bag. Yes. One more set, I think. Yes. It can be good to have some extra. I think it's gonna get pretty sweaty when we do the special stage. Yes, so-called buff, I think, for the neck. Here we have some protection for the chest and for the back. BMW, of course. And the logo. And now we have, what is this? From Rab. Oh yeah. Can it be maybe a pillow? Yes, a good pillow to sleep on. We're gonna have so much fun, me and you, pillow. And oh yeah, I don't pack this up, but Thermarest, and this is I think it's a sleeping mat, if you call it that way. And what do we have here? One from Rad. It's a sleeping bag. This is good stuff. And I think this is the tent. Yes. I have to try to mount this, but not now. And we have 2 water bags, 2 liter, and hose, I think. And whoa, here we go. This little boy. So we can see when it's dark. Woo. Whoa, I'm almost blind. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, follow us on our Facebook page, Gias Trophy Team Nordic, and we're gonna have very much fun. I think I have to try the jacket on. I can't wait.